Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Monday, August 15, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 5.793. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 10.46% since we first told you to buy Apple 14 days ago. This is an average return of 0.75% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Green Day on Monday for Apple. The Apple stock price gained 0.63% on the last trading day, Monday, August 15, 2022, rising from $172.10 to $173.19. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.19% from a day low at $171.35 to a day high of $173.39. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 7.23% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 14 million shares, and in total, 54 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.34 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 5.33%, or $9.75, below 52-week high, and 73.41%, or $478.07, below all-time high June 6, 2014, where the price hit $651.26. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $175.71 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 18.08% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 0.51% and 19.8%. The 12-month trend indicates a 0.18% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 24.74% and 5.39%. This equals a price between $130.34 and $182.53 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. User 1 predicts that Apple will go down minus $6.48 and end trading at $166.71 on August 16, 2022. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Apple stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $168.31 and $153.72. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 33.16%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 41 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $148.71 and $141.66. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $148.71. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $141.66 and $137.59. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.04 between high and low, or 1.19%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.51%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 28.63. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $148.71, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Adams Catherine L., whom have bought and sold 24,300 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -53.742. In total, the insiders bought 705,407 and sold 2,823,061 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $168.34, -2.80%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 40 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 16th, we expect Apple to open down -55 cents and start trading at $172.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.